Hey friend, Brendan here. If you're like me, you're getting a lot of packages delivered right now. Whether it's new furniture for a home office, things to tidy up your home, supplies for that new pet you adopted like these cat toys I just got, or for all those presents you're ordering. There's a lot of stuff being delivered right now, but I can't watch over my doorstep every minute of the day for when packages are delivered, and I certainly don't want a bunch of boxes sitting out there for hours on end. We really don't want our packages damaged by the weather. Thankfully, LIftMaster sponsored this video to have me show you how I use the MyQ ecosystem to make my home even smarter, secure, and how to keep my packages safe. There are a bunch of MyQ compatible products that add some really cool smart home features to your house. But for this video, I have the MyQ Universal Smart Garage Hub, the Yale LIftMaster Smart Touchscreen Deadbolt, in the LIftMaster Elite Series garage door opener that has a secure view smart camera on it with two-way communication. By the way, LIftMaster has a bunch of limited time special deals going on for the holidays, so make sure to check out the links in the description now so you don't miss out. Now, when you combine any number of options from the MyQ ecosystem, you can connect it with Key by Amazon. But what is that? When you order something off of Amazon that can be delivered by Key by Amazon, they have secure access to your garage to open it briefly, place packages in a designated spot, and then close your garage door so they're nice and secure. What's especially great about it is how many features are in place to give you peace of mind about the entire experience. So I want to show you the different parts of my setup so you can not only see how cool each of these products are, but how they work together to keep your packages secure and your experience anxiety-free. It all starts here with the MyQ Universal Smart Garage Hub that connects to your Wi-Fi network. This super affordable device allows you to retrofit your existing garage door opener to work with Key by Amazon. And the hub interacts with this part that you easily stick to your garage door. Now, if you already have a MyQ enabled garage door opener, you don't need to install this part that we put on the actual garage door. But the hub connects you to the Yale LIftMaster Smart Touchscreen Deadbolt. This has a really cool numerical touchpad that allows you to unlock and lock your door without the need for a physical key. If you have a lock set up for an exterior door or a front door, you can set it to auto lock after a period of time. If you have it installed on the door between your garage and house, you can have it remain unlocked and only lock when your Key by Amazon delivery is taking place. That's the extra peace of mind designed into the MyQ ecosystem. This thing is so cool. I've wanted one of these for a long time. When I told my roommates about it, one of them replied, "This is a game changer." He's not wrong, and yes, those are the actual text messages. Now, for some reason your Wi-Fi does go down, the MyQ Universal Smart Garage Hub allows you to interact with this over Bluetooth in your smartphone as a fallback. Oh, and by the way, there's this neat little tip. If your battery runs out on this, you can just get a 9-volt battery and touch it to the bottom of this, and it'll give it the power it needs to allow you to still get in. Talk about thoroughly designing a product. Major props. Now, when you combine it with the LIftMaster Smart Garage camera, or in my case, the LIftMaster Secure View camera built into my Elite Series garage door opener, the magic of MyQ and Key by Amazon really comes together. A lot of this happens both in the free MyQ app and the Key by Amazon app, which are both available on Android and iOS. Here's how the magic of the MyQ ecosystem comes together. You order an item off of Amazon and select Key Delivery. When a Key by Amazon delivery driver is close to your house, you get a notification letting you know that the contactless delivery is about to happen. The Amazon delivery driver receives one-time garage access validation upon arrival to deliver and secure the package until you're able to go get it. And you get a notification in the MyQ app that your garage door has been opened. If you have it set up to do this, your Yale LIftMaster Smart Touchscreen Deadbolt moves to the lock position while your delivery driver is there and later unlocks when the driver leaves. You can then watch the delivery driver live while your packages are dropped off with the LIftMaster Smart Garage camera or Secure View camera. And then the driver closes the garage door. And that's it. In my experience, this whole process takes about a minute or less from the moment the garage door opens to when it closes. It's super safe, and you can even adjust all the different types of notifications you receive. If you're the type that wants to know what each part is doing, you can enable that, or keep it simple and only receive a notification that your packages have been delivered. It's up to you. I check the MyQ app all the time. It gives me peace of mind because I can check to see if my garage door is closed or if my door is locked. I can also have friends or family pick something up safely distanced by sharing access to my garage by opening it remotely or giving them a personal PIN number. I can also get alerts for when people are home or leaving. I can do all this at any time, anywhere through the MyQ app. You can too. If you want to check out any of these products, click the links in the description for more information and current pricing. Make sure to do that right away so you can take advantage of any holiday promotions that are going on right now. And make sure to check out my previous video on the LIftMaster Elite Series 85503 Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener. It's also a game changer. I truly enjoy using all of these great LIftMaster products and love how it makes my home smarter and safer. So thanks so much to LIftMaster for sponsoring this video. I wish all of you a happy holidays, take care, and stay safe. Oh, my cat food was delivered. Sweet.